Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna be installing a new muffler to my 2019 Vitacci Rocket. The reason I want to install is not so much that I want a new muffler, it's just that when I lowered the bike, the header pipe that is right here is really low. So last time I went on a ride, I ended up scraping the header, and I don't know if you can see from there, but this is so let me bring the camera here and I'll show you from a closer point of view. So now that you can see, or the camera is at a better angle, so this is the header pipe that I end up scraping because I was leaning too far down to the ground. But honestly, there is not enough clearance here. The motorcycle is standing like straight, and I have about like my hand clearance from the ground to the header pipe. And so that's not the only thing that happened. Also, because I end up somehow these if you can see on the screen, these are the lines from the oil cooler that goes under the radiator, and whenever that happened, I don't know if you can see, the pipe I guess was so hot that when I did that turn, the oil lines end up like touching the pipe, and so now my bike is leaking oil. So what I'm planning to do today is I'm gonna use this mild steel, I think it's mild steel pipe, and basically I'm gonna put it from the bottom where the exhaust pipe goes. Well, basically it's gonna go like that. It's no longer going, you know, underneath the engine case. Is gonna come, let me show you, like here. This is the reducer. I need to, you know, make this hole bigger so I can insert this into the pipe. I'm gonna weld it, and this one goes, well, it goes here, but I have to cut this shoulder. Also, I have to do like a bracket because I want to hold the pipe like this, but there is nothing that I can hold here. So I'm gonna build a bracket that I'm gonna weld that bracket here about I guess like 3 inches apart, and I'm gonna put the muffler right here. So, well, you already know what I'm talking about, so let's get started. So guys, this is how the pipe and the muffler looks together. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know, it looks kind of weird here. It's gonna take me a while to get used to it because I don't know. It looks kind of plain here, but it looks nice. It kind of looks like the Ducati's bikes where you can see the whole wheel on the side. But I haven't finished yet. I still need to put like a bracket here to hold the muffler in place. Let me show you from up close. So this is how it came out. It looks sick, man. It looks nice. And the bracket that I'm talking about, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna put one from here to here. And I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this piece of rod. I'm gonna cut it so I can put a bolt, this part right here. But I need to make this bigger. What I was using, let me show you. And I was using this one with the Dremel tool, but I have more, but I don't know, for some reason I'm not able to find them. But you know what, let's see how this sounds. Okay, now it's time to listen to this baby. Okay, ready? Shit. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, man, I think it sounds way better. I don't know, because I think it's because it has a bigger diameter exhaust pipe and the sound is deeper. Let me see. With this exhaust, it used to sound like a freaking dirt bike. Man, now it sounds way different. I wonder how it's gonna sound once I install the, you know, the big board, the 180 cc's. But this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm just gonna leave this right here how it is, but I'll be fixing it on the next video. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.